To place two pictures or images side by side with Canva, the first step is to install Canva, which after that tap on it for it to open. The next step is to tap on the create button. If you are using a computer, you can still do the same, so follow along. On tapping on create, you are giving some suggestions, but in this case, I want to work with custom size, so I'll tap on custom. In the unit section, I will leave it at pixels, which you can see there, px. Then width, I want to use 1080 by 1080, okay? So insert your value, all right? The height and the width, which after that tap on create new design. You may be shown some designs that have similar dimensions, but don't bother. Drag down on this page. Once you drag down on the page and you find yourself on an interface that looks like this, the next step is to tap on elements. On tapping on elements, you will see some options. Select grids. This shows you some grids you can use to create what you want to create. Here I want to add only two images, so I'll select the second one on the list. I'm taken to this page with what I selected. Alright, tap on the first section. On tapping on the first part of the image, you will see some options at the bottom. Tap on replace. This automatically opens the Photos app of my iPhone, showing me some of the photos I have there. Alright, but you have other options like uploads, photos, and videos. So in this case, I want to go with uploads because I've already uploaded some pictures on this Canva. So I'll tap on uploads. Now this shows some photos and pictures I uploaded, but I have to scroll until I get to the picture I want to use. So here, let me select this picture here. I'll tap on it. And you can see it has been placed. If I want, I can place my finger at one edge and drag up a little. Alright, so we are done with the first section. I'll tap on the second section of the frame. Alright, once you tap there, tap on replace. As usual, it opens the camera roll showing pictures and photos we have in the Photos app. Alright, I will select uploads here, so I'll tap on that. Then I will select the second picture I want to have in the second frame, and it is added. So once it's added like this, you can download it to use it for whatever thing you want to use it for. And for you to do that, tap on the download icon, which is at the top right. So give it time for it to be downloaded into your iPhone or Android. And it's done downloading. So I can get to home, then get to the Photos app of my iPhone in this case, and look at the picture here. I'll tap on it. So you can see everything is standing side by side. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you some other time.